In this next video, we're going to look at how to create a logo using basic shapes. So this is our final logo, and we're going to use these shapes here to create it. So let's begin. In order to get this first outline, you kind of see a rectangle with a circle above. So that's what's drawn here is a rectangle and a circle, and they're both aligned to the middle. If I select two objects and look at the tools that appear above, I can see I get a whole bunch of different options of what the shape could look like. If I unite them, we end up with the shape that we're looking for. If I subtract them, I still get an interesting shape that might be used for another design, where it's a circle that's cut out of the rectangle. Intersection just takes that part that intersects the two shapes. So here would be, if I needed a half circle, would be a great way to do that. And the exclude is kind of just everything. So for this one, we're going to take the unite and combine those two together. So now I have a shape that's just that one continuous line. I can take my blue background and just slide it in, and I'll try to line it up as similar as I can to that original design. These next two elements, or next three elements, there's three circles there, we're going to combine those together to recreate the pupil. So the first two circles, if I go through again, unite's not exactly what we're looking for, but again, a cool thing. Subtract is what we are looking for. Exclude kind of gives us that cat's eye in there, and exclude's doing everything. So we're going to hit subtract and combine those together. I want to make sure that my fill color here is white, my background is black, and again, to align these to the middle, if I right click, I can hit align and line middle, and then right click again, align center, and that will center the object for us. I'm not going to put this in position yet. Well, let's do the last part here. So this would be for the pupil, and you're like, oh, how do two big circles come into this? Well, again, unite's not what we're looking for. Subtract, kind of that's what we made the half moon with, but intersect will give us that little pupil spot. So if I grab that and slide that over top. Now notice here, I'm not seeing through the background, or I'm not seeing this shape, the outer line appear on top. So in order to fix that, I can click here, that outer line, and right here I can say send to front. This shape and this shape are all looking very similar. My eye, right now my eye is two different things. If I just grab the outer edge, I would move it. So I already know that I've aligned it in the middle the way that I wanted it. If I select just it and right click, I can group those elements together. If I take that and add it in to the middle, and then if I hold down shift and select the eye, I can align again to the middle and align to the center. Now I can also group those elements together. So now that I have this, I can group that all together. To get this centered on the background, I may want to take the blue part and the outline, take what I've got, and we will align to the center and align to the middle. And then I just need to grab that blue part, grab my blue part, and slide it back into the way we want it. Now I have a logo that looks very, very similar to the original.